the private data. Okay, and RAG plus prompt engineering plus memory. After that, we have the large data plus customized solution. So in that category, we have to go with the fine tuning, new and updated LLM model. Then we have the different LLM model, okay, that we have been trained or fine tuned. And after that, we can easily use again via only the prompt engineering or RAG. And after that, if we will implement this as a memory, then again the same thing that we have to do. Okay, so in the case of okay, in the case of AI agents, so we have LLM model, prompt engineering, memory. If we will integrate the tools and on the basis of particular story, if we will do the action, okay, and then reasoning. So if this is a combination, then we known as a AI agent. Okay, and this is all about the like what the framework that you have to use for AI agent, Crew AI, LangGraph by the LangChain, Llama Index AI agent uh, is there, iData is there, okay, and at and is there. Okay, so there are multiple things are available. Now there are a few things that I will suggest you that we now have to talk on that. Okay, once. Yeah. So this is very interesting point. Okay. Sorry, guys. Okay. So basically, what is the tech stack that we have to use? Okay. So we'll focus on this because today is the last day. So I want to ensure that everyone should able to complete the project and submit it. Okay. So that's the whole agenda. That's why I'm going to give you the holistic view of the tech stack of the GenAI. Okay. So programming language, Python, as we know, AI framework, I will suggest LangChain. Again, it's free. Unstructured to structure, again, unstructured.io that we can use free. If you want to do the like llama, if you want to use something else rather than this one, unstructured.io, okay, we can use llama pass. For the website data, we can use scrap AI. For the LLM model, we can use Grok, and that have the open source model. Okay, multiple open source model which is hosted on the Grok, and I prefer use llama, anything in the llama. After that, do the Colab or Jupyter notebook or VS Code. Okay, that's what that you can able to do it. Then for the database, you can use Chroma, Fias, and Quadrant. Okay, I will suggest start with Chroma or Fias and then move to the Quadrant. Okay, if you want to use the embedding model, then embedding model is available on Hugging Face. For private data, okay, so if you don't have the private data, then you can use your own data and then RAG, build the application of the RAG again on the LangChain. Splitting and chunking, there's a no best method is available. You have to do hit and try method. That's it. Okay. And Pinecone also you can use it, but I don't prefer it because that's too much heavy to use it. That's why. And for the learning purpose, I will say you can use that. And also Pinecone is not very much open source. Okay. They cost you something. So that's why. Okay. Got it? Yeah. See, Pinecone is not an open source, it's a proprietary. So why you want to do the things that will take you the charges? Because as I told you, whenever we are working on the any project, okay, the tech stack will be decision. This decision going to be taken by the our or I can say the team. Okay, so that's why we have to do in that particular manner. Okay, so we have to take the knowledge. We don't have to master ourselves because Pinecone, Fires, Chroma, everything is same. Okay, so you don't have to worry about it. Getting my point? So that's what that it is. Embedding model again, Hugging Face is available. Splitting is done. Then for the UI, so UI here, but Fires or Chroma local DB not cloud based. So you are for the learning purpose you are doing na. So why you are worrying about that is the cloud based or local? Okay, so you have to learn the concept. You don't have to build your own large scale of the tons of DB of the data. If you will go into all this discussion and yourself, you will do all this kind of discussion for yourself, then you will not able to complete your project. So always start with the small. Don't go all these things. Okay. What the difference between if it is local and cloud? how it will impact your solution? You just tell me. Okay, till that you typing the answer, I will move forward. For the UI, why UI is important? Because we have to demonstrate our skills. So in that particular case, you have to go with the either Streamlit or Gradio. Okay, 99% I prefer Streamlit. Easy to deploy, easy to do the things. So that's what. Okay, again deployment. So push the code on GitHub, then connect the GitHub with your Streamlit that we saw in the last session, and that's it. So GitHub will connect with Streamlit. Local may cause the computational cloud on your system. No, it will not going to be happen because you don't have the local may cause the computation load. No, it's not going to happen. How much data that you have, Farza? How much data? Just tell me in the GB. How much data that you have of the rack that you are thinking of that it's going to be take the load on your system? Not that much. So that's it. If that's not much, then how why there's the importance of this one? Okay. So don't worry about it. Okay. And Nandesh, how to improve the response time of our project? Like depends on the LLM or have to change? No, it's always depends on the LLM. Okay. And the context of that particular LLM. The long the LLM, okay, the length of the token and the total count of the token is large or highest number, a very large number, then this is going to be very tough for you to get a response in less time. So there are the multiple solutions for that, but you have to again hit and try. That's it. Okay, so you can connect the GitHub with Streamlit, then source data. You can use your own data or internet data for your own clone. We have the courses websites. HiDevs is free, YouTube is free, deeplearning.io is free. Want to generate a code from prompt? Again, ChatGPT and Claude is free. So I think if you want to master like yourself, so start with this. I bet you will able to do a lot of things if you will start all these things easily. That's very much easily. Okay. So this is a tech stack. I will share everything. So don't worry about this one. Okay. Now I will tell you there's one more flow that I want to discuss with you all guys. Give me a bit. Project. So project. Hmm. Here it is. So how the things will work. So you are building on the project. So you need a Python code, then LLM API. LLM API you will able to get from the condition one, OpenAI, okay, closed source, or that's the pricing one, paid one. Okay. Again, that there's one more solution that you have to host on your own server, which is not the optimal solution for the beginner who are exploring this area. So what the else that you can do? You can do with the open source Grok, which is available. Okay. Then Docker file is not pretty much required. You can do everything on the AWS GCP when you are working in the company. Okay. Streamlit UI is there. Okay. Live your project. Okay. And there's a so many different platforms are available which you can use when you will go into the company. So this is all about the project related things. Okay. Yeah. So what is Docker file? So Docker is a kind of the container where you can put yourself, your project in that particular container, and that will help you to make the project very well. So that's what the Docker file. Okay. Now fine tuning. So I search. Okay. There's one more fine tuning related thing. Okay. So we'll talk on this. Okay. Let me share that screen. Give me a bit. This is one of the, I think, good one that I was search 1 second. Fine tuning. Fine tuning. What was that? 1 second. Hmm. I think this is it. Yes. So this is a one of the like best way to fine tune. Easier fine tune train LLM model get faster with the onslaught. So they have their own. 30x faster than, okay, than other model, 90% less memory. Okay, LoRa and QLoRa is the methods are there to fine tune. Okay, and they will just give you 10x faster on single GPU. So they have very good library support. So that will help us to fine tune in very less resources. Okay, if you go on the documentation, then you will able to get to know. So everything is available here. Okay, so if you will go on the GitHub, I will just take unslot GitHub. Yeah, see. So I think 31.9K, 31.9K star is very huge. Okay, and everything is available here. You can easily start. See, the memory uses 70%, 80%, 80%, 50%, 70%. Okay, on different models are there. Okay, the news is available. So everything is available. So you can just click on Llama 3.2, just click on start free. Okay, so you will able to see the Google Colab. So now this is a one of the best solution that I figure out for you guys without giving and with spending a single rupees. You will able to complete this one and do the fine tuning. Okay, so there are a lot of things in this one. I cannot able to give you all these things because that's very much high. I need a different session and the workshop. Okay, so for only for the fine tuning, that's not going to be possible. But yeah, higher level that you can use this particular library and that will sort it you. Okay, got it. When should we fine tune? Yeah, so the condition of fine tuning any LLM model totally based on the particular use case. If prompt engineering plus RAG is not giving you the proper response and the quality of the accuracy that you are looking for, so that's why in that particular condition you need to the fine tune. And you are working in a company, that company already figure out key we have to fine tune our model. So in that category that we have to fine tune. Got it? So that's the only condition. There's nothing like other than the condition is available. Okay. Yeah. So any questions on fine tuning? Okay. So no issues. Are there any evaluation method that we can use decide upon whether to go fine tuning? No. So there is a no evaluation method is available. Uh, Sometime the evaluation methods is very much useful and giving the good response on my use case, but it's not giving you the good response on your use case. So we cannot be figured out. It's totally subjective. Okay, it's 100% subjective. So you cannot say. So yeah. Okay, which response speed is helpful better? So I think I think you cannot be compared on the only basis of the OpenAI and the Grok. Okay, it's totally depend how the things work. Okay, so yeah, on the use case to use case. Does the LLM forget its previous trained data, knowledge, or fine tune? No, it will should keep the data insight in it. But if you want, then you can uh, change the number of percentage of the memory that of particular model. Okay, so again that is configurable. So there are the few methods are available. With the help of that method you can change all these things whatever that you want to be forget. Key, this particular model will not remember whatever has been done so far, or if remember only 50%. So that is only always be the configurable. Okay, can you share the steps for final code deployment using GitHub? Again, it's not possible. I will share the YouTube link today. I will upload and share it. So it will going to be happen today itself. I will share the YouTube. Okay, no worries. Can you provide a little glimpse of the such method? Ayush, that is going to be not possible because that's very much high. Okay, so I can just give the name only. LoRa and QLoRa. So that's the two things that you can go and search on that one, fine tuning. Okay, so that's the best thing that you can do. If you need, I can give you that like one, yeah, this one I can give you, so that will help you. Okay. Sir, we prefer RAG because to prevent LLM fine-tuning on particular field or way. If it is the fine-tune, if in RAG fine-tune also consider that what's the difference. So in the fine-tune, your model is going to be work according 100% according to you. That will not going to uh, outside of your context because you have been given your own data and memory and everything. You are not giving the context every time, but in the case of the RAG, you have to give the context every time in the form of the chunks. If you remember, every call is a independent, every call is a stateless call. So you have to give the context every time with the prompt and the history as well. But in the case of the fine tuning, this is not going to be happen. Okay. So that's why we have to do all these things. Got it? Can you share something on evolution method? Understand why RAG is model is working properly or not, like SME for regression? And so again, can you share something on evaluation method to understand whether my RAG working is properly or okay? So I will suggest you can use Langsmith. Okay, so Langsmith is a one platform that is very easily you can integrate. Okay, as you can see, get your LLM app from the production to prototype. Sorry, prototype to production. My bad. Okay, that's what that you can use very easily. That will help you to analyze what is the input, what is the output. Okay, what level of the metrics that's are going to be useful. As you can see, latency. Okay, aggregation metrics, token, everything is available in this particular platform. Okay, so that's again totally free of cost by the LangChain. You can explore this one and that will help you. Yes, it is free. Whatever is going to be we will get from the LangChain is always be the free. So as I can see, you guys have lot of questions. So good to see that you guys have lot of questions. If you want to become a, I told you, if you want to become a full stack, so let me come here. Okay, so yeah, I can type. Yeah, I can type here. Yeah. So if you want to become a full stack Gen AI engineer, okay. So I will prefer what you need. So first you need LLM models understanding. Okay. Before that, I will say Python, DSA, then a little bit of machine learning, then data science as well. I will tell you what is the difference. Okay. So machine learning and data science is very much different thing. Then you have to understand the LLM model. Okay. Then prompt engineering. I will write PE. After that, RAG. Okay. Then this is okay. So after that, fine tuning. Okay. Then evaluation, and then Streamlit. Okay. Streamlit or Gradio, whatever that you are using. Then Docker is very, very, very important. Proper understanding of GitHub as well. Okay. And after that, you should know how to write code for production ready. Okay. That's also you should know all these things. Okay. So Docker, RAG, fine tuning. Yeah. Then fine tuning. Then RAG. This is also, and one more thing, advanced RAG. Okay, this is nowadays is very much people are using it. Advanced RAG. Okay, and there's one more thing. I'm figuring. Yeah, Olama. Okay, how to use your own model. Okay, and configure the LLM model on your own system. So Olama or VLLM is there to set up LLM model, open source LLM model. Okay, open source LLM model. Okay, in your system or server. Okay, that's what that we can do. Okay, Evaluation, Streamlit, Docker, how to write, production. Okay, production ready solution. Yeah, there's one more thing. What system design? System design is there. System design meet AWS, GCP, what should you, what not to use, load balancer, okay, or EC2 instance, okay, or what I can say, public and private IP address, SSH, or I public like SSH, IP address, okay, and deployment, okay, solution, a proper flow, how should we create this, okay, so that's come into the system design, okay, then yeah, what I can say, optimization ways that you guys are asking me, speed, okay, speed, accuracy, or costing, so that's what that you need, okay, how you can able to configure that. Then 19, how I can say, yeah, how to uh, how to how I can portray this, how to convert any idea, okay, to POC, okay, within 72 hours. That's very much important when you are working in the company because they don't have the time. So you have to convert your idea, or I can say client requirement, okay, or we can say a generic solution, okay, how you will able to convert that particular into POC within 24 hours, okay, so that's very much important. Okay, there's one more thing, anything that you guys are uh, thinking of LLM model, so open source and closed source, okay, do I forgetting anything? So frameworks, yeah, AI agents, guys, what are you doing? That's very much important. AI agents, multiple, multi-level, sorry, multi-level AI agents are there. Okay, so that's again very much important. Okay, and frameworks or and frameworks, tools and libraries, what and where that you have to use. That's again which one you have to use and when and at what condition. That's again very much important. You have to figure out this particular thing. Then RAG, fine tuning, evaluation, Streamlit, Docker, fine tuning, then RAG. Advanced RAG is there, system design is there, optimizations done, not or, and AI agents, multi. Anything else that anyone can help me out if I'm forgetting anything? Proof of concept, working demo, POC is, yeah, proof of concept. What if the either your idea is okay or what not, how to evaluate. So again, for evaluation, you can go with the stream, Langsmith. Okay, Farza? That's the only one thing. Okay, deployment is done. Okay, will deploy. Okay, so I can write up deployment, deployment on Streamlit. Oh, one thing I forget. Fast API. Oh, fast API. Yeah. So integration of, there's a two things, prompt engineering implementation with fast API, okay, and rack, okay, fast API as a REST API services, okay. Then again the same one here. So I will not write. I will just copy paste it. Yeah, and then mm, integration of RAG with the integration of RAG and AI agents. That's currently pretty much tough. No people are able to do it this. Okay, so this is very important. So you have to convert your solution into the API. If you're not able to do it, then that's going to very tough. So I will put it something like this: 23 and basic of REST API, basic of Fast API. We'll go with the basic of REST API services. Then then we'll talk. Then we'll talk 25, 24. Flask API versus Fast API versus Flask API. Okay. Then we'll talk Fast API basics, CURD operations that we know that. Okay, with MongoDB. Okay, that's what that we are going to do. Okay. Yeah. Anything that I am forgetting? Can anyone tell me? Is there anything coming in future to add in this endless list? Anything coming in future to add in this endless list? Ayush, I didn't get you. Sorry. Rehan, can you share me the resources of learning API? Yeah, I will share it. I think that's a very simple fast API. So that's is the documentation is already available. You can explore this one. This one is there. Okay. So this is the things that you need to become a full stack GenAI engineer. Sorry, my bad. Actually, I click left button. Left. Okay. So anything, if you think that I am forgetting, anyone, please go ahead. Or what about Agile that was mentioned in submission guideline? Yeah, that also that you can use it. Okay. And that's totally depend on. Yeah, vector DB will be come into it. Yeah, we can put it. Okay, so that will come here. Vector DB. Okay, vector DB embedding. Okay, chunking, and splitting. Everything will be come into here. Okay, and evaluation, Langsmith. Okay, and Azure. Okay, and TrueLens. So there are a lot of tools that we can use it. I just write down the topics. Okay, how much time required to generally cover all these things? Does data mining can be considered? No, data mining is not considered in this one. That is going to be different topic. Uh, so I already told you about the Super 30. That is, we are going to be start sooner. Okay, so this is all the things that we are going to cover in our Super 30 program. Okay, so we will give you the everything, whatever that I have been written. Maybe few things that I am not able to recall now, but yeah, this all things that we are going to cover in our Super 30 program of the 3 months, where I will come on the weekly basis of the 3 hours, alternative days, and I will teach everything: Python, DSA, machine learning, data science, LLM model, prompt engineering, vector DB, fine tuning, evaluation, Streamlit, Docker, GitHub, production ready code, again, advanced RAG, OLAMA, VLLM, system design, optimization ways, how to convert your client requirement and idea, then AI agents, multi-level AI agents. Okay, here we will able to explore this, or line graph. Okay, multi-level AI agents, framework tools and libraries which you have to use and at what condition. REST API. Okay, fast versus REST. It is Flask. My bad, Flask. Then fast API CURD operation with MongoDB, integration of like prompt engineering solution, that or app, I can say app. Okay, so this is all this that we are going to cover. Maybe 2 or 3 more pointers are there, but yeah, most of the things that we are going to cover in our Super 30 program that we are going to start soon in the second week of the March mostly. Yeah, so it's going to be start in the second week of the March. So yeah, so if you don't know Python, don't worry. We will start from the basic. So you don't have to worry about it. If you don't know machine learning, we'll start from the machine learning. We'll talk about the machine learning and all these things. Okay, data science. What are the different techniques are there? What are the Python, pandas? So if I will give you here, okay, so here linear regression, okay, and or logistic regression. Okay, don't go on the spelling. Okay, SVM or KNN. Okay, etc. etc. Okay, here data science means pandas. Okay, NumPy and cleaning, visualization. Okay, so this is all known as the data science. Here we will go with the. I will not give you the code of the DSA, but I will teach you the basic patterns. We'll learn 14 patterns, okay, to solve any DSA problem. So that will include like list, linked list, tree or graph, and not or, my bad, or uh, tree, graph, graph, and hash, map, okay, etc. So there's a lot of here things. Okay, here we will learn functions, data types. Okay, there are a lot of things that we will do here. Then prompt engineering, fine tuning. We'll go with the Quera, okay, QLoRa. So there are again a lot of methods are available. Docker single, GitHub is single. This is all single. Again, here we will use. So yeah, this is going to be covered in our Super 30. So you will become a full stack GenAI engineer. Okay, I don't think कि ये करने के बाद आपको नौकरी नहीं मिलेगी. I don't think so. Not going to be possible at all if you will able to complete it very nicely. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. One more thing that I forget. So mock interview for the job preparation. Okay. Mock interview. Okay. And then resume and LinkedIn profile building. Okay. And one more thing that we are going to do, uh, mostly 2 weeks of offline and in-person training in Bangalore that we are going to give you. So you have to come you have to come Bangalore. Okay, we'll go for the conference, hackathons, okay, and seminars, industry visit, everything that we are going to do. 2 weeks of the offline and in-person training that we'll do in the Bangalore. Seminars, sorry, hackathons. Yeah, hackathons, Bangalore. Okay, yeah, that's what that I was missing. And also, uh, yeah, 22, 3 plus mock, 3 plus ZL, 3 plus company interview that we will give you. Okay, that's going to be happen. Okay, this is LinkedIn ho gaya. Resume, you can add the cover letter and email content as well. Okay, mock interview at least 5. Okay, that is going to be happen. Okay, and yeah, uh, will help you your online portfolio. Yeah, this is going to be happen. So that will include all projects, uh, learning, performance, experience, education, everything that will be online. So yeah. So this is again I'm missing few things. Okay, that will be the possibility. So yeah, this is going to be this is what that we are going to be learn. Okay. in our Super 30 program. Okay, so that's we are going to be use. So, what is the difference between techniques for GenAI engineering and other engineering? So, GenAI engineering and AI engineering. So, GenAI engineering means you will basically work on the libraries. Okay, you will work on the libraries and solutions, frameworks, and all these things. When we talk about AI engineering, in that scene, you have to build everything from your scratch. Okay, you have to do machine learning as well. You have to do the data science as well. So you can you have to do lot of things. Okay, that's not going to be limited only with the Gen AI. No. Okay, that's what it is. What is the cost of this full stack Gen AI? So it's cost of very less, 30,000 for 3 months. 30,000 INR. Okay, so if we talk about the costing, so let me go with here 34, not 34. We can put it here. Okay, so 30K, 30 INR for 3 months of program. And after that, 3 months of job hunting that we will do behalf of you. Okay, so total 6 months, maximum to maximum 6 months. That's what it is. Got it? Any other questions? Okay, so no questions. So yeah. So now let's come to the project. How many has been sir, I have been submitted a project like 2 or 3 plus still is, yeah. So Mohan, actually I was sick, so that's why it's has been missed. Okay, so sorry for this, so give me some time. I recovered yesterday only. Okay, so now I'm feeling better. So now I will back to the track. So there's so many things has been pending. Soon I will do it. Okay, sorry for inconvenience. Yeah, but sure, I will do it. Okay. Yeah. So how many has been completed the project? Anyone? Yes. So please try to complete next. So we'll start putting like your profile and other things. So that will be the helpful for me as well. Okay. So yeah. Okay. So that's it from my side. So for today. Okay. So like yeah, that's it. So if you enjoy, so please suggest to how to speed up the response. So any other model. So there's no method. Now we'll do it. Okay, Fazza, please do it. Okay. And to speed up the response, the only one thing that you have to integrate the Langsmith or any evaluation matrix or evaluation tool. Then only you will able to get it. Okay. There's no other method is available. Then only you will able to get to know. Okay. All these questions you can able to figure out if you will going to be part of the Super 30. Okay. All these things that we will cover over there. So hope you will enjoy it. Hope you will love the 7 days. I think I give my best. Okay, so that's what that it is. Now I think if you guys can turn on your camera, we will take the selfie. Okay, of the this session. Okay, so please turn on the camera. I will also do. Thank you so much, Nandesh. So please share. Our company is in India or no, company is based out of USA. I live 6 months in Bangalore, 6 months in India and 6 months in USA. So I'm going back to the US as well. So do you have experience working in other countries? Yes. What is the different? So there are so many difference, Ayush. I think uh so I think you can go and watch the so many videos are there on YouTube. So that will give you the much better understanding. Okay. I think yeah. Yeah. Anyone else want to turn on the camera? So we'll take the last selfie of the this. So pointers, actually I don't compare, yeah. That's too much subjective. Okay. Too much subjective. Some people love to work in India, some people love to work in Bangladesh as well. Okay. And some people want to love to work in USA. So that's totally subjective. I love to work anywhere. I don't that doesn't matter for me at all. So that's why. So what the different, please share to improve that level while staying here, to improve at least that level while staying here. Again, too much subjective. What area that you want to go into it? Okay, so yeah, so that's what that it is. Okay, okay, yeah. So hey Chirag, कैसा है भाई?
I'm fine, sir.
And कैसा लगा?
अच्छा था, अच्छा था.
अच्छा था.
7 days was really nice. Yeah.
ओके, आपको क्या समझ में आया, क्या सीखा आपने? अब उस पे बात करते हैं.
Uh, I learned many things. Like I learned how to implement GenAI and how
Okay,
to prompt engineering. Actually, prompt engineering, I thought it was much more difficult, but it was like I thought it was easy now. So I
it
think
is.
I can pursue in that area.
Yeah, yeah. It is like Thanos.
Yeah, exactly. I thought it will be much more complex in it, but it was really easy. You made it really easy. So that's what,
Okay.
yeah.
Thank you, thank you. Yeah. So what you are doing basically currently?
I am doing BCA in
Oh,
Bangalore itself. Yeah,
oh,
Bangalore itself. So final year.
okay, okay, okay. So I think you are looking
Yeah.
for the job.
Yes, job and in internship. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. You can be part of then Super 30. I think that will be very helpful for you
Yeah. Yeah.
because I will tell you, companies are looking for the Shaktiman.
Yeah. True.
They are looking for the Shaktiman जिसको सब आता हो. Okay,
With experience.
yeah, with experience. So that's
Yeah.
why I thought of key. Let's put it everything over there, and I will make sure that you will able to learn very easily and do the projects as
Yes.
well. Getting my point.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
that's why that I am doing something that, and sooner like we will add the few more topics on this one, because currently I'm talking the few of the
Yeah.
companies that can give their insights and the real projects, so we will able
Okay.
to incorporate that level of the thing. Okay, and what we are thinking, why I put the 2 weeks of the in Bangalore. Okay, why? So
Okay.
there's a very much reason. You are sitting all over the world. Okay, currently I don't know from where you all are, guys. What will happen once you will complete your 2.5 months of the training of the Super 30? Then you will come back in Bangalore. Then I will put you into the multiple hackathons. I will go with you, okay, and do the hackathon and
Mhm.
enjoy the life of the Bangalore and see what level of the things are happening.
Yeah.
ठीक है, थोड़ा घर से बाहर निकलना पड़ेगा.
Ah.
Getting my point? So that's the
Yeah.
agenda, and also we will sit together. We will do the whiteboarding, okay.
Mm.
And currently, as as you guys know or not, I don't know. My co-founder is Googler. Okay, so I have the privilege कि अपन नए वाले ऑफिस में जा सकते हैं.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay, so guest visit that we can do it. I'm figuring out. Still, I'm figuring out. So I have the one connection. I have my co-founder is Googler. I have the good connection in Google Cloud as
Yeah.
well,
Yeah.
so I can just use that network as well. So you will able to explore that area. भाई कंप्यूटर पे बैठ के दुनिया नहीं जीत सकते, ये बात दिमाग में बिठा लेना.
सही है.
ठीक है ना, कंप्यूटर पे बैठ के कोई दुनिया नहीं जीत सकता है, ये बात जितनी जल्दी समझ में आ जाएगी ना, तुम उतना जीत में रहोगे. तुमको घर से बाहर निकलना
True.
ही पड़ेगा. अरे पापा मेरा तो वर्क फ्रॉम होम है. अरे नहीं, बर्बादी. उधर बहुत पंगे होंगे भाई. So that's why we took the
Um,
decision कि we will do this one. माइक्रोसॉफ्ट विजिट करना है और गूगल, ये दो चीजें हमने सोची है.
yeah.
अभी मैं तुम लोगों को बता रहा हूँ, अनाउंस नहीं किया मैंने, उसमें भी इसलिए नहीं लिखा है क्योंकि आई नीड अ
Okay.
कंफर्मेशन. बट या आई एम प्रीटी मच कॉन्फिडेंट कि दैट इज आई एम गोइंग टू बी सॉर्टेड आउट. Okay, that's pretty much. So conference, events, webinars, seminar, hackathons, so you will able to get to know what the people are doing, what and why I put this after the 2.5 month. क्योंकि तुम्हारा तो कॉन्फिडेंस आएगा यार. अरे मेरे को जेनिया आता है
Mm.
यार, तू थोड़ा साइड हो दे.
So, yeah.
Okay, how do you select the 30 questions, 30 students? That's is very nice question. So that's totally depend on the how well that you will perform in the pre-assessment of the 30 students. Okay, so we'll do the proper assessment. Who are going to be the top 30? Okay, because I need a serious people. ठीक है, मेरे को रिएक्टिव एलिमेंट नहीं चाहिए जो 18 ग्रुप में होते थे अपनी प्रोडक्ट टेबल में. आई डोंट नीड दैट पीपल. आई डोंट नीड दैट. लास्ट वाला 18 वाला जो ग्रुप होता था ना अपना, उसमें वो नहीं चाहिए मेरे को. बिकॉज आई एम, if I am giving the quality, I am giving my personal time. So I need a good people like you guys. यार मेरे को
Yeah.
विश्वास नहीं था, मेरे को टोटली विश्वास नहीं था कि 3 दिन की छुट्टी के बाद तुम लोग आओगे. देखा, अब नहीं आ रही जनता भाई, अब अपनी कोई वैल्यू नहीं है. लेकिन थैंक यू सो मच यार, थैंक यू सो मच. आई एम
Yes.
सुपर हैप्पी कि यू जस्ट फील दिस कि दिस इज अ वैल्यूबल फॉर यू. मेरे लिए नहीं
Yeah.
भाई, मेरी लाइफ की बात नहीं हो रही है, तुम लोगों की लाइफ की बात हो रही है. Getting my point? So that's what that I
Yes.
always thought key. So that's why we keep the 2 weeks in Bangalore in person. We'll go to the office. We'll feel this one. Getting my point? So we'll
Yes.
feel the that feeling कि यार कैसा लगता है, चलो चल के देखते हैं. Getting my point? So
True.
that's what.
Yeah.
And I'm always trying to do something different. That's why I left my job. ठीक है ना? वो
Mm.
कुछ करते हैं, जो होगा फिर देखते हैं. एंड वन मोर थिंग दैट वी आर डूइंग अगेन, मेरी मार्केटिंग टीम मेरे को मारने वाली है क्योंकि ये सब कुछ सीक्रेट था, क्योंकि फाइनल नहीं होता है तब तक बताया नहीं जाता है. ठीक है ना? तो अगेन वी आर फिगरिंग आउट कि किसी, मतलब टॉप 10 को नहीं बोलूंगा, अब वो कौन होंगे 10, आई डोंट नो. हाउ वी विल फिगर आउट दैट ऑल्सो आई डोंट नो. बट वी विल स्पॉन्सर 10 होंगे, 5 होंगे, आई डोंट नो अगेन. हाँ, सैन फ्रांसिस्को टूर. Okay, so that we will figure out. Okay, so you have to do only two things: passport and visa, tickets and खाना पीना रहना. I think ऐसा ही होगा. वो अभी still that's we are figuring out. But yeah, we are thinking in that direction as well, because I want to give that feeling, because I live 40 days in US, so I know what level of the feeling it is. I was in. I will show you a video. I don't know how much people, how many people you have looked that video. Totally, I'm telling you, that's really life changing 40 days. Like, that's why I came after from the US. I took the decision, I am leaving my job, I will do something else. This is not going to be happen at more. I job to nahi ho paegi. We want to do something else. So let me see. Hmm, yeah, here it is. Let me share my screen. Screen visible? It's not visible. Yeah, 1 second. I will remove unpin. Yeah, do let me know once screen is visible. It's visible. So first, I will. Is screen visible? Yes. Okay. I will show first this one. भाई इसमें ड्राइवर नहीं है. Sorry, yaar. Actually, let me switch off my camera. Maybe it will help. नो ड्राइवर। गाने भी सुन रहा था मैं। देखो अपने आप चली गई, कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ रहा है भाई उसको। So that's what that I want to give this kind of the experience to my people as well. So this is one, and this is the hackathon one. ये अजाइल का प्रोडक्ट मेंबर है। फाउंडर ऑफ क्रू एआई, बताओ, ऐसे ही घूम रहा है। So US people are so much supportive, yeah, as compared to the other country. Google, this is Google one. मैं साइकिल तो चलावे यार, इतना दूर आए। Yeah. So again, that experience was very incredible. Okay, and that's not take me Statue of Liberty. Okay, you know. Okay, so yeah. So this is why that's I thought कि यार we'll do something great for others as well. And मैंने कहा चलो ठीक है, देखते हैं क्या होता है। Either देखो दो ही चीजें होने वाली है। How I can portray, अपन रॉकेट लेके आते हैं ना मार्केट से चलाने के लिए, ठीक है, वो बोतल में फटता है, ऊपर जाके फटता है। दो ही कंडीशन होगी, ठीक है, बस उसके अलावा कुछ नहीं होने वाला है। ठीक है, अब देखते हैं कि ये ऊपर जाके फटता है कि रॉकेट में। ओके, okay then, I think you guys enjoy it. Okay, and anyone also want to be share your experience, so okay, if you don't, then sooner marketing team will reach you for the for the experience, ठीक है, वो भी तुम लोगों के पीछे पड़ेगी। ठीक है, तो तुम अच्छा सा फीडबैक दे देना यार, उन लोगों को मजा आएगा, मेरे को नहीं। उन लोगों को मजा आएगा कि हाँ यार ठीक है। ओके, सो द चीज टाइम, सो आई थिंक let me 1 second. Hmm, apply. Yeah, that's it. Yeah. So नंदेश के बाल सेट हो गए हैं, तो अब अपन फोटो खींच लेते हैं। Okay then. So 3, 2, 1. Yeah, that's great. Thank you so much once again. Okay, we'll meet soon in Super Dirty. If not, so that's not an issue. Okay, we'll do something as well as well. Okay, soon. I don't know what, but yeah, figure out something as well. Okay, and please, please, please don't forget to share on LinkedIn here. That will help me a lot. Okay, again, not me, marketing team. उनको अच्छा लगेगा। Okay, चलो, मिलते हैं, बाय, टेक केयर, गुड नाइट।